Amazon affiliate marketing on Instagram. $97 per day strategies. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be talking about Amazon affiliate with Instagram. We will be talking about how you will be able to pull off having an Amazon affiliate marketing using Instagram as your main social media platform to promote different products from Amazon and start earning a lot of money. Now, first things first, how do you become an Amazon affiliate? Becoming an Amazon affiliate is fairly easy. You're first going to visit affiliateprogram.amazon.com, wherein this is the platform or the section where you will be able to register as an affiliate in Amazon. The signing up is very simple. You can easily sign up by simply entering some information. Some are personal and some are general information, such as pay name, address, city, country, phone number, and many more. You will be able to move on to the next step where you could specify what are the different platforms you could actually promote your products on. In this section, this is where you will be specifying that you will be promoting on Instagram itself. Now, Instagram is a very great platform to promote because a lot of people are actually on Instagram as well, aside from TikTok and YouTube and Twitter. Instagram is one of the best platforms to promote items. And after setting up or selecting the type of website, you could set up your profile and then you could start using the Associates Central or like a dashboard for associates, wherein you will be able to monitor your traffic, your earnings, and many more. That's where you will be able to get your link as well. So after creating or after being able to become an Amazon affiliate, you will now then set up your Instagram. Now, there's a lot of things that you need to prepare and set up on your Instagram. And the most important thing that you need to prepare is your profile. Now, creating a very aesthetically appeasing or aesthetic profile will help you promote traffic to your affiliate links. Because if you have a professional looking profile, of course, people will like your content and they would most likely visit the links that you would input and put in your post. So first things first, make sure that your profile is professional, whether it's your bio, your name, your profile picture. You could easily create a professional item or a professional version for all of those. You could utilize Canva for such tasks, where you could create your unique profile or even use it for your post. Because in Canva, when you visit Canva over here under social media, you will be able to create different types of posts here. For example, Instagram posts, there will be a square with the perfect template for you to be able to do it. And over here, let's show you this one so that you could visualize and see how it would work as well. So as you can see, we have our square box over here. This is like the exact size of post in Instagram. So you could use the different elements, the different designs available in Canva. There's a lot of different styles that you will be able to utilize, as you can see here. Right now, it's a bit slow for me, but there will be a lot of potential, and majority of the things that you will be able to do will come from Canva, or I suggest that it should come from Canva because of the creativity and available of different resources for you. Right now though, my Canva is a bit slow, but anyway, there we go. As you can see, there's a lot of things that you will be able to do, lots of collections, lots of graphics that you will be able to use to design your outputs. For example, you can easily create collages just like this one. You can simply put in the images of your products that you are currently promoting in the affiliate of Amazon. Now, to download this, you can easily click on share and download over here, or share it directly to Instagram as well. So that's like the first step. Whenever you're posting about your products, your different products, use Canva and take advantage of the resources available to us, given to us by Canva to play around with. For example, stuff like this one, you can easily add amazing designs such as this to your output. Although you're going to have to be careful with how you put it, but there we go. You can easily compile different designs just like this to create aesthetically pleasing outputs. So it also depends on your creativity on how you will be able to apply it. But anyway, you get the idea for Canva. Now, aside from that, what you should do is that when you're posting outputs on your Instagram, you should have the idea that you need to put in proper hashtags or like proper identification for your post. So for example, you should put in hashtag Amazon Finds, because of course the products that you will be promoting came from Amazon, and Amazon Finds is like a very popular hashtag right now. So there's a total of 4 million or almost 4 million posts for the specific hashtag. So if someone searches hashtag Amazon Find on their search in Instagram, they will be able to find different posts that are related to hashtag Amazon Find, and coincidentally, hopefully, one of your products would be shown there. And another method for you to be able to use to improve your Amazon affiliate is by focusing on a specific niche or a specific theme. People use the term niche, but you can also use the term theme, wherein you could simply focus on a specific item on Amazon. So for example, you could focus on fashion, where you could try and apply for affiliate marketing for specific fashion items, and then you could tailor your Instagram profile to promote fashion design. So for example, you will be posting people wearing the clothes, you wearing the clothes. That's also a possibility, and that should be the entire amount or the entire thing that your Instagram would be about. And also, you could do even some computer related or tech related. You could also do that. So the niche and theme depends on you and your preferences. And it also depends on the result of your research on which niche is the best to promote your affiliate marketing on Amazon, whether you will promote it on Instagram or any other social media platform out there. Now, another important thing to have is that you should add on your bio a link admin or a link tree. A link tree will allow you to compile different links. So, for example, over here, I have a link tree over here. This is a sample over here. I could label one of the section, view Amazon affiliate products. And then you could add here links of your affiliates. So let me delete this one for now. Delete. This is like a section over here. So we could simply put in the link of your affiliate product over here, or your affiliate link itself, so Amazon.com. And if you set it up like this, you could set up that product title over here. Let's say crocodile boots, just like that. And they will be able to see here over here just like that, like view Amazon affiliate products. If they open your link tree, this is the preview, by the way. They will be able to see view Amazon affiliate products, and they would like be interested, like, oh, what's this product? And if they selected one of the links, they would be redirected to your affiliate link product, which will then drive traffic, and you will be able to earn money through that way as well. And when you're posting as well, if you're posting items in your profile, you should put into your bio whatever you're posting, the Instagram or rather the Amazon link, so that wherever, whether it's your bio, you should put in your Amazon affiliate link. Wherever or whatever you're posting, it should be in your bio, in the description, or sometimes you could even put it on the image itself. As much as possible, you should add it to your Instagram post. So that's basically it, guys. Those are the different things that you should do when you're running an Amazon affiliate with Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.